Every strong padlock begins with high-quality raw materials. Brass, hardened steel, zinc alloy, and stainless steel arrive at the factory in massive quantities, ready for production.
The raw metals are melted inside powerful induction furnaces, reaching temperatures above 1,000 degrees Celsius.
The molten metal is poured into precision molds to create thousands of lock bodies every hour. Extra metal is removed before each lock body is precisely machined for perfect dimensions. The shackle is made from hardened steel rods that are bent, machined, and heat-treated for maximum strength. Tiny springs, pins, tumblers, and locking mechanisms are manufactured with extreme precision. At the same time, brass strips are transformed into perfectly matched keys. Both the locks and keys are polished until they achieve a smooth, attractive finish.
Protective coatings improve corrosion resistance while creating the familiar golden or silver appearance.
Every component comes together in a carefully controlled assembly process. Each key is tested to ensure it perfectly matches assigned lock. Finished padlocks undergo rigorous testing for durability, strength, and security.
Approved locks and keys are counted, packaged, and prepared for shipment worldwide.
From raw metal to precision security products, millions of padlocks protect homes, businesses, and industries across the world every single day.